I am Tanuja Meena. I am from Italy, MP, and I have done my graduation B.Sc in Science. As you can see, I am totally belong to non-technical background, and now I am working in IT company in technical profile. All this cloud happened because of Evision team. I was struggling a lot through my career, and I was looking for a stable job profile that can align with my long term career goal. So I get to know about Evision technology for one of my friends who is already working in IT company after leaving from Evision technology. So I joined in course. It I was November batch 2024, and I complete my course in March, and now I am selected Future Focus Private Limited for client Kotak at a package of 3 LPA. So a vision team helped me a lot to get this job. They teach me basic to advanced concept of networking. Special thank you all Vision technology team and sir who helped me a lot. Thank you.